hear this ASMR. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are back with another Burago, and this is a very cool looking car. You can see this is a Enzo Ferrari from their Race and Play edition, and this is a 1/43 scale. We have unboxed two of the series of Burago. I think the first one was the Ferrari only, and that was 1/64 scale. Then the second one was the Formula F1 car, and that also we unboxed. And this is the third car in the series, and 1/43 second model. So stay tuned, guys. This one I got from Denmark. My friend went and he got from there all the Buragos for me. So if you are following my channel, right, you know the story and all. So if you want to see the other Burago diecast unboxing also, you can check them out. I'll link in description. Okay. So what we are going to do today is like we are going to unbox it and let's see how it is from inside. So before that, let me show you the Ferrari official license product logo over here, and you can see there is one more observation that I've done, right? What Burago is doing is for the 1/43 scale models, right? They're just making this box and they're putting the stickers over here. So you can see the Enzo Ferrari sticker is written over there. So specific to the car, they will put the sticker instead of making every box have a different name and all, right? So I like the space saving and all the things that they are doing, right, from the perspective of diecast model creator. Let's unbox it, and yeah, you can see a very beautiful red color model, and I don't know how it is looking in camera, but the color of it's, right, it's very actual and it's very red. So it is very cool looking model. If you want to put it like this, you can put as a diorama, right? So it stands right slanting position. So I have seen the Ferrari, right, like this only. The F1 also was in slanting position. So what they do is like they will screw it somehow here, and for the F1 car I need to get a screwdriver in my hand and unscrew the bottom. So yeah, I found out, guys, like how to open this, right? We just need to very gently move it and then very gently try to remove it. As you can see, yeah, it gets removed. So the more pressure you apply, it's like it is like a thief that unlocking safe, right? We have to be very careful with the safe unlocking keys and all. So that was the thing, that why I was not able to do that. I was using more force rather than just thinking to unlock it in a proper way like a keychain mechanism, right? So we have unboxed it, and you can see a very beautiful, very detailed 1/43 scale model of our beloved Enzo Ferrari, and you can see it's very heavy. Actually, the body is of metal and the base is of plastic. If you can hear it, right? And the first thing I saw from the box itself is there is some irregularities over in the paint job, right? And it is not a small spot, it's a very big spot over here, if you able to see. Yeah, but not a problem. It got some dust here and there. We'll just remove it by our nice hands, and I'll show you guys the detailed view of it. I think I need some more light. Yeah, now you are able to see very clearly, and look at the reflection and all, how it's reflecting. The paint job is very good overall, except this thing over here, and it is very nice to hold in hands actually. Okay, it's very nice. If you see the headlights, right, they are some acrylic, and they are plastic only. Okay, they are not painted, and a very nice Ferrari logo over here, if you are able to see. Yeah, very good placement. The box that they have made, right? And the diecast they have made, it's very beautiful. And if you see the interior and all the things that I've done, this windshield is of plastic wiper, and you can see some carbon fiber detailing they have provided, right? It looks too awesome. The steering wheel and all, see. And from the back also, if you see uh, this carbon fiber thing over here, right? This is some of you can see a texture they have given to this plastic windshield. And this is what it feels good. There is a Ferrari logo inside also in the engine bay, right? And a Ferrari written over here at the back. If you see here, uh, from the back also, for the grille there is a logo. And these headlights are not painted, but they have engraved very well. They look like painted only. Okay, so the logo, I just fall in love with this thing, the minor details they have given. And it's very beautiful. Let me zoom out and you can see how it is from back. It looks, see the shape, right? How it looks from back and from the front, it's very proper and accurate. See, that's what I'm talking about, how the Buragos are made, uh, how the Ferraris are made in Burago actually. And see the mirrors, right? This also metal only. Unlike mini GTs, they have provide something else. But although these are mini GTs are 1 by 64 and this is 1 by 43, then also they have provided mirrors, so that is an awesome thing. Tires are very good. There is a thing I'll show you, but let me show you from here also. There is some gap over here inside, right? So they have given some very minor details attention to the model. If you see the base, here what the screw thing like was stuck. Okay, so you can see Burago Enzo Ferrari and product under license of Ferrari Spa, and it's made in China as usual. Base is not having that much of things. You can see some texture that they have given. Okay, and there are some two screws over here. And if you are able to see, there is some white thing over inside, right? So if you wonder like what is this, let me tell you guys, this is a pull back and go thing, right? If you see here, if you have played cars in your childhood, that small cars that if you pull back and they will move forward, this is the same car. And this is the same car mechanism they have used. Let me show you how it works. Just to pull back, it will start moving forward. See, it's very fast actually. This is a cool, man. This is some cool shit. If you see this, I don't have much space to do it, but see this, man. It's cool to have something like this in collection. It moves very fast. See, I'm not doing anything, just pulling it back and it's moving forward. Although it's this much detail and they're having this mechanism also in that, so this is a cherry on cake. I'm just holding the mechanism, I'm just holding the tire and just releasing it. It still have a lot of energy in it. And let me give you a quick thing. I'm just pulling it back again and again, and we'll hear this ASMR. Cool, right? After growing up also, I don't know what is the thing, I'm just feeling very nice and happy about this car. I think this is the one of the best 1 by 43 I have after the Ferrari and the F1, right? I think after so many years also, I'm feeling very excited about this pull back and go thing. I think Burago made a very special and minor detail uh, for the diecast collectors to get back their memories, right? I know the children's play with it, but as a collector also, if you see this, uh, it makes you go into the nostalgia, right? And feel it. So it's very good. The mechanism over here is too good, and I have not seen any diecast model with these details and having this feature. So well done, Burago, and I'm just very happy to have this in my collection. So that's all for today, guys, and we will meet in next video with another set of cars. Let me give you a 360 look of this car, and we will close the video. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep sharing, keep liking, stay subscribed.